Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a haul from Rosie's Studio. This is the first time I've ever ordered from them, and I have to thank Lolo Van Crafts for sharing some tips and tricks with me on how to order to best minimize shipping and duty, because I'm here in Canada. She suggested not to buy any 12 by 12 paper, so I did only choose one of the 6 by 6 paper pads for this order, but this was on clearance. You guys will not believe how inexpensive it was for me to get all of these things. I'll go through everything. This is the only thing that was not on clearance, but I wanted to pick up some of these gorgeous gems because I love the faceted sparkles that they have, and I can't get this anywhere else specifically. So this is from the Unconditional line. Everything else here is from the Twinkle All the Way Christmas line. And one of the things that caught my eye is because I'm actually working on my December daily right now. So to order Christmas products in spring is totally fine by me, and it was a really nice bright package to receive at the door. Now the shipping for this is unbelievable. It only costs less than $5 to ship this entire little box to me, which is amazing. And the order itself, you guys, was $30. So to get an entire collection of gorgeous papers and products from Rosie's Studio is just like really exciting. I even noticed that little piece of foiled paper there. So they have some gorgeous ephemera, and when I noticed other unboxings had not just one but multiple of different pieces, so I think you actually, I see you get 2 of each design. So all of these designs, so this like cute little adorable mouse. The things that I always have a hard time with is when I get really cute piece of ephemera, I don't want to use it because I think, oh, there might be a better place for me to use that. And now I can have my cake and eat it too. I can use it and still have it. And so there's 2 packages of ephemera. This is die cut shapes and tags and frames. Then there's also this epoxy sticker set. It's got these cute little, almost like snow globe shaped epoxy stickers there. I got pretty much everything that they had in the collection, and they still have this deal on right now. If you guys were interested in heading over, I mean, you could just stock up for next Christmas. So these are just some sticker sheets. So you can see the color palette here. Very soft and subtle. Some neutrals mixed with beautiful pinks, blues, burgundies, green. Really quite cute, but like this right here, this is the color palette I love in this line. So one of my friends on Instagram is unbelievable, Anna. She creates with this line as well as does Project Sparkle, and I am always admiring their beautiful creations. And now I have the luxury, the privilege of getting some of the products to play with myself. They really do create some very unique items that are a little different than what you see. Like, I've never seen a whole package of vellum ephemera before. And this one has an entire, look at that music note paper. Ooh, that's neat. Nutcracker sweet. Anyways, it's such a nice way to layer different textures, and this whole collection here provides such a good opportunity to do that because you have good chipboard pieces and they're not huge cardstock thicknesses. If you look at the thicknesses, oh, actually, This is a cardstock paper, but it's got a puffy sticker on the back. That's interesting. These are the chipboard elements, and they're on both sides. And these aren't that thick either. One of my biggest challenges paper crafting, especially when I am trying to create an album, is to keep the thickness at a realistic depth in order to be able to close my album afterward. So it's nice that I have some of these chipboards that do have some dimension. They do have some depth to them, but the thickness on them is nice and thin, so that's good. But they've got some heft and some weight. And the interesting thing is here too is these stickers pop out. So these frames, you can choose to use this as an embellishment in itself, or you can work with the frame and create like multi-level dimensional layers. Things. So yes, I think I've shown you everything. I did get 2 of these puffy stickers because I love puffy stickers. And like I said, the prices of everything were so affordable and reasonable. You guys, I used to order from Peachy Cheap, even here in Canada, and I'm so disappointed with them. My good paper crafting friend just told me that they ordered in Canada and the shipping cost, I think the deal today was $12.99. We have to pay as much in shipping as we do for the product. So if we wanted to get one of the products, it would cost us $12.99 to order the deal of the day. And the if you ever wanted to have multiples, they charge us twice. So if we ordered like 2 sets of the thing, we would be paying $25 for shipping. And it really negates the idea of being able to have less expensive products. And I think that they did that on purpose. I think they actually want to discourage Canadians from ordering, because we've had purchased products from Peachy Cheap before and been like, midnight the deal opens, we go ahead and we buy it right away, and then the deal's still available the next morning, yet somehow our order gets canceled because they're out of stock. It's like, I was one of the first people who ordered. So I'm glad that I found a new way to order things that I can get, like a little sort of Peachy Cheap style kit. This cost me the same amount it would cost me for one Peachy Cheap with shipping and everything. And I got so much more than I would get from Peachy Cheap because I got all the stickers, all the ephemera, the paper, puffy like chipboard, and then these gemmies. If I hadn't bought these gemmies, that was like the one thing that was the most expensive. This is the only thing not on clearance. Everything else was like $1 or $2. They had some really nice dies as well that were on sale for pennies, like 50 cents or something. So anyway, check out Rosie's studio if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time.